Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to create chat folders on Telegram. Organizing your chats into folders helps you manage conversations more efficiently and keep everything tidy. So, let's get started on how to create chat folders on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, tap on the chat folders option. Here you can see the create a folder option. Tap on it. Give your folder a name. Under the included chats section, tap on the add chats option. Select the chats you want to include in the folder. Once you have selected the chats, tap on the Done button in the top right corner. If you want to add chats to exclude, you can do so here. If not, simply tap on the Create button in the top right corner. And this is how you can create chat folders on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.